Collboni met with London's responsible for business, Raeja Agrawal, and with the official promotional company London and Partners to share their views and explains Barcelona project to host. Here at Chatham House, in front of 200 professionals from different fields, Catalan President Carles Puigdemont explained Catalonia's roadmap towards independence. Right after the conference, there was a turn of Q&A, and lively Brick Lane in East London is the chosen framework for the Crossroads, an international art fair which aims to put together well-known names and emerging art. Once again, the center of Sant Jordi celebrations in London. Catalonia and England are united by the same patron day, and today, beside books and roses, Casteller, hundreds of writers, agencies, publishers, distributors, and anybody else in the book industry meet here, share their views, meet their potential markets, and hopefully start building their professional relations with the Spanish government. However, he lamented Madrid's stagnation and his opposition to and insisted on the need for the Catalan process to be explained to the world so that the difficulties it is facing can be understood. This will lead, according to the panelists, to a bigger international support.